So in 7 years, we were at every manufacturing company in Pakistan who was willing to invest in automation, and they were our customers. So अभी भी मैं तो कभी कम क्लाइंट विजिट करता हूँ, लेकिन कभी जाऊँ तो कहते हैं आपके कौन कस्टमर्स हैं. कई दफ़ा तो मैं कहता हूँ अच्छा आप स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में जाएं, जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी ग्रो कर रही है, देयर आर कस्टमर्स.
बॉयलर की ऑटोमेशन है, चिलर की ऑटोमेशन है, कोई वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट है इंडस्ट्रियल, उसकी ऑटोमेशन है, वहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ. देन वी मूव टू ऑटोमेटिंग कंप्लीट प्लांट्स, लाइक वी डिड ऑल द मेजर फर्टिलाइज़र प्लांट्स इन पाकिस्तान, वी डिड ऑल द मेजर रिफाइनरीज इन पाकिस्तान, वी डिड complete SCADAs for the oil and gas pipelines across the country have been done by Avanceon.
We have a business of $60-70 million. Now we are no more a $1 million company. So delivering projects of $60-70 million, and the number of projects, 300 projects that are ongoing right now.
All the metro systems in the Middle East, starting with the first Dubai Metro, then Doha, and then Riyadh. Their environmental and air turbulence management system has been done by Avanceon.
The world's largest district cooling plant, which is providing air conditioning to Khana Kaaba, is also done by us. In Qatar, we have a project which is, you heard about things like smart city. This is a smart country project. We have worked directly with the ministry. We secured that project through an open tender. This project is basically even 20 years ahead than the market. It's a complete Industry 5.0 project.
We started as a product company, so we used to sell like an agent. प्रोडक्ट लिया, बेच दिया टू द कस्टमर, उसकी सपोर्ट कैसे देनी है, इंस्टॉलेशन क्या होनी है, कमीशनिंग कैसे होनी है.
We were living in Industry 4.0, and 4.0 means automation and PLCs, control systems, because from mechanical labor we were moving towards more electrical and control side, where you can control the machines and the machines can work automatically through a software programming. So we were in Industry 4.0.
Although I was not in that field, but I realized that I was a mechanical engineer, but this is something which requires attention and which requires local skill to be established.
When we started that journey, so Pakistan was very new in that. All of the companies who were delivering those automation systems were coming from abroad, mostly Singapore, US and Europe. And we were one of the first system integrators who could program a PLC system locally.
Initially, this whole market was dominated by the OEMs, जो हम अपनी language में original equipment manufacturers कहते हैं. And they would come in, they would do the complete project, their engineers would fly into Pakistan. And then when the support was required, then there was nobody there to support the installed base of that OEM. So there was a big gap.
The gap was identified and we clearly knew कि ये जो skill है, this is an imported skill and this has to be substituted in Pakistan.
We were just 7 to 8 people company, and even I recall that few of our managers were sharing the computers because there was only one computer and 2 people were using it. Even then Bakhtiar was very sure that we will be the market leaders and we will compete with the larger OEMs.
हम realize करते थे कि हम local expertise develop करते हैं. We have infrastructure here. So even a company could be, our competition could be Fortune 500, the likes of Honeywell, ABB, and I can take these names, Siemens. We genuinely then developed that vision that we will be market leaders over them here because they do not invest in human resource here. That vision and achieving that vision gave us an outstanding platform to going abroad because we had already demonstrated that we can compete with the best of the best.
I think it was early 2007. We got a project from Saudi Aramco through our local contractor. I went for the kickoff meeting. We already were awarded the project, and I went for a kickoff meeting with the customer, Saudi Aramco customer. So the project director, Saudi, said, have you ever done a project with Aramco? I said, no. Have you ever done a project in Saudi Arabia? I said, no, it's the first project. He said that this meeting is over. We cannot work with you. So then, my contractor said, at least listen to them, listen to their presentation. So I delivered a presentation about whatever we have done in Middle East or in UAE or in Pakistan. And after that he said, I have never seen such a company before, and you have done such a tremendous work. Why were you not here before? So we could have approved you easily. And then we were the first company who was approved with Saudi Aramco to do a factory acceptance test in UAE, in our UAE factory. Otherwise they didn't allow that.
We're obviously headquartered in Pakistan, started here. But now 80% of our revenues come from the Middle East, right? Which is Dubai, Qatar and Saudi Arabia. And the future growth is also going to be proportionately larger from those parts.
Avanceon Pakistan, you can say, is the backbone of our international operations. So every team is housed in Pakistan who do work for our international offices. जो हमारा proposal hub है is based in Pakistan. जो हमारा execution hub है is based in Pakistan. जो finance का hub है, जो HR का hub है, safety का है, marketing है, all teams are based in Pakistan and supporting the international operations.
We have about 225 engineers out of a total workforce of maybe 350.
Partnerships तो हमारी global हैं अब, सारे suppliers हैं, so we are जिनसे compete भी करते हैं, Schneider वगैरह, they are our best partners. We are at the highest level of partnership with Schneider, Rockwell, Aviv, you name it, Siemens. We are like their darlings. Although we sometimes compete with them. But as far as we buy from them, we decide which technology should be used in what project. तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी हमारी strength है.
During the whole course of journey of Avanceon of the last 20 years, we also acquired a company in US. So in Pennsylvania, Axton, they were the market leaders in system integration in Pennsylvania. So we acquired that company and we understood all the systems from them. And we developed our best engineering practices. And those best engineering practices basically are how to internationalize the company and how to use effectively the back office.
जो हमारा model है is so robust now that it is easily scalable. So अगर management ने कोई growth करनी decide करती है management कि we want to grow further into regions like maybe in Southeast Asia, any other region in the world. So this back office is ready.
When we go to a new geography, we don't have to establish any relationships. We have to only focus on client acquisition. Relationships are there, immediately transferable. Processes and engineering processes की जो बात कर रहा हूँ उस पर बहुत काम किया है और थोड़ा हो रहा है, तो यही तो दो चीज़ें हैं हमारे लिए. So that's why our scalability is because of that.
We can start any office anywhere in the world, wherever we see that there is a potential and there are future investments by those governments. And so our future lies on our global expansion. We are pretty much set and ready.
अगर आप एंटर करें ना और आपको वो ना नज़र आए तो वो वैल्यूज़ नहीं होती, वो स्टाइल नहीं होता. सो आर्स इज़ वन बहुत बड़ी हमारी जो पिलर है, दैट्स ओपन एंड बीइंग कैंडिड लीडरशिप स्टाइल.
Asset of any company is its motivated people. You see, that's what distinguishes a poor performer from high performer, is level of motivation.
It's an open door policy. It's an environment of friendship. Ethics is number one in the company. We even don't want any project or anything where we think that our name will be spoiled.
We will get revenue purely on merit. We'll pay every duty. We'll pay, and on the cost side, every tax. And that's it. That's way of the game.
While not being a very big company, a mid-sized company, but because we are publicly listed, we give employee stock options to all our highly rated people.
All our leaders are homegrown talent. Almost 95 मैं कह दूंगा percent who joined as trainees and kept on. We have great success stories within our organization of individuals also.
Whenever some young engineers or young people ask me what kept you going for 30 years, so I think I tell them that there are two things. One is culture and one is growth.
Our stock option is ongoing and it's a continuous process. Even everybody of us are getting shares with the company from the last 5-10 years. They have made a lot of wealth.
मैं तो जो भी नए इंजीनियर्स आते हैं उनको यही कहता हूँ कि अगर आपका होराइजन जो है वो 2 to 3 years डाउन दी रोड है तो एवेंसियन इज़ नॉट दी प्लेस, क्योंकि हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्ट ही इसलिए हुई है कि आप उसमें लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम गुजार सकें, क्योंकि नॉलेज बेस्ड कंपनी है एंड नॉलेज इज़ आर की एंड वी डेवलप पीपल बेस्ड ऑन दैट नॉलेज.
और यही मुझे जब आई सी our young engineers from Pakistan rubbing shoulders, actually यही मुझे बस अगर मैं एक कि वो नॉर्मल मीटिंग्स के अंदर बाहर उसी तरह काम कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं कंसल्टेंट्स के साथ कर रहे हैं, they like 28, 30, 32, that's a big satisfaction. Seriously, उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस मैं देखता हूँ तो बहुत मजा आता है.